What is an incentive spirometer and its types? Welcome to the video guys, I hope you are fine. An essential incentive spirometer is a basic plastic medical gadget for lung activity. After a bout with sickness, surgery, or a chest or abdominal injury, your doctor may suggest using an incentive spirometer. Avoid lung infections with an incentive spirometer, which uses a combination of exercises to increase lung capacity, build lung strength, maintain lung inflation, and expel mucus and other secretions from the chest and lungs. Your body's oxygen levels may drop after major medical procedures or prolonged sickness. An incentive spirometer may help you get them back up to standard. Two varieties of incentive spirometers. FAS is a flow-oriented incentive spirometer. A FIS device makes breathing more difficult. It serves to strengthen the upper pectoral muscles. VIS is a volume-based incentive spirometer. A VIS device requires less effort to breathe than a FIS device. It aids in enhancing diaphragm activity and motility.